everyone, Mitchell Spadafore here at the Criticalbench compound. Today I'm going to show you 4 variations on how to make push-ups way harder. So I'm going to break these down for you. I'm going to go in accordance of what is easiest to most difficult. All right, first one, midpoint hold push-up. Now with this one, I'm going to go quarter to 3/4, and what that's doing is I'm strictly isolating my chest with doing that. If I was going all the way down, all the way up, I'm incorporating more triceps and more shoulders. But with going quarter to 3/4, it allows me to shorten the range of motion and then use more chest. So that's variation number 1. Variation number 2 is going to be midpoint hold. So with the midpoint hold, I'll do 10 reps of the quarter to 3/4 push-ups, and then I'll do a 30-second hold here. So now when you're doing this, make sure your hips are still retracted, make sure everything's still in place. I'm not bouncing around or anything, making sure I'm breathing throughout this movement. So then what I like to do right after is do a couple more. So then with doing a couple more, it's just pumping as much blood into the chest, into the shoulders, into the triceps. So now the third variation that I'm going to demonstrate is a low point hold. Now this is more of an intermediate to expert workout because it's a lot more difficult. Usually I'll do 10 push-ups, do a 30-second low point hold, and then do 10 more push-ups. So I'm gonna demonstrate that. Still keep my hips retracted, core still engaged. And then, as I said, hit a couple more. Alrighty, so last but not least, this is my go-to if I'm really trying to finish out my chest, finish out my triceps, is pulse reps. So I'll do 10 to 12 reps of push-ups, and then right after that, I'll strive for either 20 pulse reps, or I'll even do pulse reps till failure. So for this one, for instructional purposes, I'm gonna show you pulse reps till failure. So with a pulse rep, it's less of a range of motion versus the quarter to 3/4. So pulse reps just like this. So as you can tell, I was at basically failure at that point. Something I'm telling myself in my head those last 5 to 7 reps is mind over matter. I gotta push through it, and no pain, no gain. If you give up on yourself and you quit halfway when you know you could have did better, you're only limiting your progress in the gym, and you're also limiting progress in the rest of your life, because the way you do everything is how you do anything. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed those push-up variations. Give them a try your next chest workout. Might make you really sore and just give you a new workout that you're looking to try. I also want to include a free gift for everyone, which is a protein and smoothie book that is going to be included in the pinned comments. And then in addition, you will be receiving a shaker cup with it as well. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the Criticalbench channel. And I want to say a big thank you to everyone here at Criticalbench for just making me a part of the team.